everybody! Today's lesson is on animation. Animation is when you bring your drawings to life and create a movie. First, we're going to need to make a little flip book. And these are pretty easy to make. I just used some white paper and some glue, and I've used this clip to hold the pages together until the glue dries. You could also use a stapler. After that, I added my drawings. Now I've added some simple drawings. It's just a ball bouncing, but I can't wait to see what you guys come up with. First, watch the demonstration on how to make your flip book and then add your drawings. You can, when you're finished, post it to Seesaw and make your comments about how you created it. I can't wait to see what you guys come up with. Have fun, be creative, stay safe. Bye! The materials that you'll need for this project are paper, pencil, scissors, glue, and some colored pencils or markers. Fold your paper so that all of your pages will be the same size. Trim the edges to make all the pages even, and then use some glue to paste them all together. Trim the end to make all of the pages the same length. Making the drawings. Draw a picture on each right-hand page. Make each drawing a little different. I like to start from the back so I can see the other drawings underneath. When you're finished with your drawings, you can test out your flip book by holding the spine in one hand and then flipping the pages with your other hand. When you're all finished, you can go back and color your pages.